12,800 years ago, a catastrophe nearly erased humanity.
And all of it was carved onto an ancient stone.
They call it the Vulture Stone. A warning from a distant past. But what truly happened? Why would a hunter-gatherer society, living more than 12 millennia ago, carve images of the sky, of death, and of a disaster that looked like the end of the world? What did they witness? Who were they trying to warn?
And why does their message match a global event modern science only discovered recently? To understand this mystery, we must return to where it all began, Göbekli Tepe.
Over 11,000 years ago, on the hill of Göbekli Tepe in modern-day Turkey, an ancient community carved a mysterious stone pillar.
That stone would later be called the Vulture Stone. Its surface is filled with images, unlike any symbol system we know. A vulture with outstretched wings. A large circular shape, like a sun or a falling object. A scorpion-like creature.
And several symbols that remain undeciphered even today.
But what makes it different?
Is the sense that these symbols tell a story. Maybe the memory of a disaster they feared would be forgotten.
When researchers used astronomical software to recreate the sky from thousands of years ago, they discovered something shocking.
The scorpion on the stone matches perfectly with the constellation Scorpio.
Other animals match well-known constellations too.
Scorpio, symbol of danger, death, and sudden catastrophe.
Sagittarius, pointing toward the center of the Milky Way, possibly indicating the direction of something incoming.
Cancer vitamin, often linked to specific time markers.
Libra or Andromeda, Fuego, symbols of imbalance in nature.
Each symbol seems to carry a precise meaning.
But when combined together, they form a complete star map of the sky around 12,800 BC.
But when scientists compared this star map with climate records, they found something terrifying.
The Vulture Stone is not just a map of the sky. It is a timestamp.
A moment when the sky changed suddenly. As if something unusual had happened. And this clue leads us to a global catastrophe. The Younger Dryas event, 12,800 years ago.
During the Younger Dryas,
Earth shifted from warm to freezing in an incredibly short time.
Many large animals went extinct. Coastal lands were swallowed by rising seas. Ecosystems changed abruptly across the planet.
Some evidence suggests this might have been caused by
a massive comet.
Or multiple fragments striking North America.
If that really happened!
Then the Vulture Stone could be a stone-carved eyewitness record of that terrifying moment.
The large circle comet, an object falling from the sky. The vulture means death and loss. The headless figure represents the horror their community endured.
Together, they form a visual retelling of a catastrophe.
If the Vulture Stone truly records the Younger Dryas disaster, an even bigger question arises.
Who carved it?
A civilization before Egypt?
Survivors of an advanced society wiped out by the disaster? Or a community with astronomical knowledge far beyond what history suggests? This echoes myths from around the world. Atlantis. The Great Flood.
And the gods before the flood, described by the ancient Egyptians.
Lost cities, buried beneath time. The Vulture Stone may be a warning left by those who survived the disaster.
A message carved in stone, meant for generations, thousands of years in the future. But we still don't know.
Who carved it? What exactly were they trying to say? And how many messages from the past have we already lost?
Perhaps human history is far deeper, more complex, and more mysterious than we ever imagined.